Hey, what's going on YouTube? So we're gonna have an update on the 3800 Firebird. I haven't been able to get the supercharged 3800 over here. I really don't know what I want to do yet. I had to do some work to the engine. I had to replace the gasket from the plenum up. It was leaking antifreeze. It was leaking it through up here, and so had to do that. Pretty soon I'm gonna get it painted, but before that I need to decide what I want to do. I was thinking just doing turbocharge. I think it would just be the funnest, and I don't know, I think it would just sound the best. It'd just be fun, boost. Everyone keeps saying LS swap it, but I just don't want to do it at this point, just because I do want a Corvette, and it will cost me just as much to get it all done, get a good engine, good transmission, good rear end, blah blah blah, all the labor, etc., where I can just buy the Corvette that I wanted. It's gonna have the LS. I was thinking maybe a C5. Who knows? I might end up saving up for a C6 or whatever, the better one, I guess, the newer one. But I don't know. I was thinking more of a C5, and just that way I can play with it and do stuff with it. If I get a newer one, I mean, why would you want to touch it? You know? So pretty much it's been running really good. Haven't really had any problems. The only thing that I really need for this is a new steering rack, and just to change the transmission mount, because this one's kind of acting up. It's getting some play in. It's that cheap one, and I do live somewhere where it's cold, and it's hot, so the weather destroys that rubber. I need to replace an oxygen sensor. Alright, so I need to change that oxygen sensor. I don't think I'll be able to do it until I actually work on the car. I tried one day and it just wasn't budget. And it's just really hard. So what I'm gonna do is just wait till I do everything. I mean, it just really doesn't act up like that. It does it here and there, but it still works just fine. But the car runs great. Been putting some miles in it. That's what we were going for. Putting miles in it before I do any kind of engine. I drove it for the whole summer. Super comfortable. Could definitely be a daily driver. Go to the engine. Ouch. I got some new wheels for it. They're chrome. We're gonna get it painted, and when we get the other engine, that's the one I'm gonna build for boost. We're gonna do all the fabrication. Yeah, we're gonna do as much as possible. That way I can save as much money. Hopefully I can get everything recorded and get some content showing you guys. It's fairly easy. I just need to get the stuff and put some time. Gotta get some time. I got a friend that's got a garage, so I'll be able to do all the engine stuff. Just to get the car painted, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. You just gotta have a good setup, and even if I borrow somebody's garage, it's just, you gotta set it up. It's just too much. I might just pay someone to paint it the same color and just to fix it and make it look nice, but I probably will get like a metallic flakes in it. Kind of want to see if I could get like metallic gold, like gold flakes. Let's see if we can get something like that, but we're gonna get this done. Well, this is an update for you guys. I'm still gonna make content on this. I haven't forgotten. Just been working, trying to make some money to get all this done all at once. Put some time and make some videos for you guys. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.